to Franco's Experiments. So today is my video of resolved crystals. So now first is purple. Well, you know why does the cup have shapes? Well, it's because the sides of the crystal will get the same shape. Well, like this shape and this shape. Well, this was supposed to be this shape of the cup. Well, it just broke. So I only have a white pyramid. That's the one that broke. And a green one which did not broke, and it's a square, very sharpened crystals, and this one, well, just rock crystals. See? And now the last one. Well, see, same shape as the cup, and the same shape as the cup, and not this one. So these were all my crystals. I mean, this crystal worked as the bumpiest one. It's like, well, the one, whichever powder is it. So this was the sharpened powder, which was a very light powder. And this one, well, it was light. Well, this one was not light, but it came out light. This one was the lightest one, about the bumpiest one. And this one was the bumpiest one, about the meatiest one. So these were all the crystals. See you in another episode of Franco's Experiments.